What's up, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is my favorite setups for the upcoming week, the why and the how I'm going to trade them. So be sure to stay tuned for this. Real quick, if you haven't already, please be sure you're following me and hit that thumbs up button. Really helps me out. Let's get right into this. First on the list, as always, SPY, ticker SPY. We made a new all-time high. So congratulations to all my long-term investors, such as myself. Time was on our side. How could we lose, right? But anyways, all-time high was at that 479.98. So what I want to see, and yes, I'm using fibs. That's what I use once we start hitting all-time highs to find possible trades and price targets, okay? Check this out. According to this, we have room all the way up to 515.85 on SPY. But that's not the trade I'm looking for. What I want to see us come up, pull back down, retest that previous all-time high for a possible bounce, okay? For calls or ES futures longs. Or, you can trade MES for those who like a little less risk when trading futures. So I'm going to be watching this level here. We could open on Monday below this. That's okay. I'll wait for us to reclaim, come back down, retest. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for. I really don't see a whole lot close other than that. The rest of this, I'll kind of have to see each morning, play it day by day, okay? Maybe I'll make a midweek video once we have some movement, see what we're going to do, get a better feel for what's going to happen this week. All right, QQQ. I have an area, this 412.92 to 413.58 area for a possible bounce. I'm going to be watching that. It's more of a zone. Once it come back down, retest that for a possible bounce for calls or NQ longs or MNQ longs, okay? For those that trade futures. But I really like this level on QQQ. Right at this gap fill on the daily. And it's a nice area of confluence. We'll see how it plays out. We'll be watching price action and volume as always. I'm looking for a bounce. One thing I don't like to see is aggressive selling in that area. If you're watching lower time frames, I've been watching the 5-minute and 15-minute mainly. Some people like lower, some people like higher. But 5-minute, I like to see a nice reversal candle as well. If you do enter early, you don't need to adjust your risk just because you entered early. You need to adjust your position size, in my opinion. When I enter a little early, say I enter at the top here, for example, this gap fill. I may put on half my position here, and if we put on, push on down, I may add the remainder of my position. And there's, some people they don't trade like that at all. Some people wait until you come down. First sign of a reversal candle, which is perfectly okay. I do this as well sometimes. When you have a first reversal candle, volume looks decent for you. Add your position. And once you start, getting in the green, add into a winning trade. There's different ways to do this. I've seen some traders that are very successful trade, and there's just no way I could trade like them. A lot of us have our own unique style. So let's take a look at Tesla here. Just a little. This is a daily time frame we're looking at. Now, the level I have on Tesla is not too close right now, but I'm watching this zone down here. To me, this looks like a possible buy zone for a possible swing trade. I don't really like day trading Tesla. I will occasionally, but I'm going to be watching this closely. I want to see something like you see here or here, happen in this area. I want to see clear signs of reversal, and I like to reclaim that 200 area for a possible swing trade entry. Obviously, if we close below that bottom of this zone, I would be out. But it would have to be on a higher time frame close. A 5-minute close wouldn't get me out of a swing trade, right? I'm looking to enter off the daily, so that's probably what I'll use to close to exit it, right? Looks solid, but if we do lose that, we have quite a bit of room down, as you can see here. If you're looking at this long term, both these areas look solid to me. That being said, always do your own research. I haven't really looked into the fundamentals recently on Tesla, so before you do any kind of trade, be sure you check that out. That's just my thoughts. Now, I think you all will like this next one. Ticker MARA, MARA. So, the crypto sector. Now, let's take a look at this. I like this daily candle, okay? So I'm going to give you my thoughts here. This is not something I'm looking to day trade. This is going to be a longer term trade, swing trade. I'm looking to enter this, and I'll let you all know in Team Bull if I do. For those that's not in Team Bull and considering, taking this trade, be sure you know how to manage it. One single trade should never be able to destroy your portfolio, your trading account, okay? So be sure you understand risk management. Me personally, I like MARA as long as we hold above this 14.6 on the daily, okay? If we close below it, I would probably get out of a swing trade. If you're long term, I would imagine that you'll be fine. So let me explain what I'm looking for here. I would like to enter in the area we're at, in the 16 area, because, we got a risk is, close below that 14.6, but the potential I see on this trade is a move back up to this, right below this 23 area. So, the risk reward is there. I don't know if I would trade this with options or shares. I'll leave that choice up to you all, but I'm definitely going to be watching this setup for the upcoming week. So, SPY QQQ day trading, Tesla, MARA, possible swing trades on watch. I hope you all really like this video, and I hope you crush it this week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I have a free newsletter. All you got to do is go to grizzlytrades.com, subscribe to that. Just give me your email and you get one for free when I release them. 100% for free. So be sure to subscribe to that, or I'll leave a link in the description. For those still around, let me know in the comments if you want a midweek update on our levels, kind of give you my thoughts on the way the market's moving overall, best setups. So run it up in the comments if you like something like that. That's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.